Ah, wala na except for having a designated Friday prayer area because we don't emphasize much on religious aspect because Islamic study is more on social aspect of the lives of the Muslims. Uh, we are not a theological school. We teach Islam as a social science. Kaya kahit yung iba na nagsasabi, mag-demand kayo ng mosque. Sinasabi namin, hindi kailangan ng mosque. It's enough that we have our new building with a designated prayer space. Okay na yun. We don't need to have a mosque. Kasi baka maging ano pa yun, uh, too demanding on our side. Because sometimes, the presence of a prayer space, for example, like mosque, may appear threat to other people. Bakit may mosque dito? University to. 'Di ba? Ang sagot naman nila, bakit naman may simbahan? I mean, we don't want to reach that kind of situation. We want to live and coexist peacefully with other constituents because we consider ourselves part of the bigger UP family.